I have an Urban Outfitters package that I must unbox with you because it is probably the cutest thing I've purchased so far for 2025. Let me show you. Here it is, and it's plastic. I'm trying not to make too much noise. Basically, I love trinkets. I do a lot of blind box openings here. Obviously, if you've looked at my YouTube shorts, then you know, or you follow me on other platforms. I always wanted to be those type of people that have the bags that display some of their trinkets, not hanging outside, but through a protective covering. So Sonny Angels has a tote bag. It's like 40 bucks. I see it all the time, or I used to see it all the time at my old job, like in the building, but I never ended up picking it up. And then I saw this one on Urban Outfitters, and I think it's even cuter, and it has one of my favorite things in the world, which is bows. So it's this white canvas bag with bow detailing and a bow keychain and 8 different windows to put your trinkets in. And this keeps them a little bit safer. I mean, I would still be mindful of where I'm walking when I take this with me. Just living in New York City, not to say anyone would steal a Sonny Angel. I feel like Labubus right now are just like peak of the craze. Either way, I think this is really cute. This is the front, this is the back, this is what the tag says. So the tag says my favorite figurines tote bag. I first saw this a couple of months ago on someone's Instagram, and I went to check Urban Outfitters page and I didn't find it, and it was sold out, I guess. And then recently I saw it come back into stock. So if I can find the page, even if it's sold out, I'll link it down below so you can just sign up for email notification, because this is the cutest thing ever. I'm super excited, and I figure we can put some trinkets in there right now. I have some Sonny Angels. This one's just a keychain from Bonton. Squishmallow. I don't have enough for each of the slots because I've been getting doubles, and I haven't picked up the newest Sonny Angel series, which is like the fast food one. I'm not the biggest fan of Sonny Angels, I'll be honest. I like when they're clothed. I don't like when they're naked, but I do have 2 of the naked ones that I picked up. I forgot why. I don't know. I was sad at the time. This was like earlier this year. But figure I could also put calico critters in here, if anything, which I do have a bunch of. So let's just try putting these in, and then we'll see where we go from there. So you access them through a little panel on the inside, and then you just lift up the flap, and then you just take out this little paper. These are cute. I'm going to put the little hippo from the Rainy Days series in here. Cute. And then in the next one, I'll probably change this around. I'm going to put the elephant in here. It's a little bit of a tight fit. There he is. And then I guess I could, should we do the whole row? I don't even think I have enough. Yeah. Okay, let's just do the whole row. Oh, there's a hair here. Let's just do the whole row for the Rainy Day series, and then in the other ones we can like split it up or something. The ducky. I'm still sad that I never got a chance. Oh, I should probably, I'll put the ducky at the last one. So let me put the axolotl. I got 3 of these. I gave one away. I have another one to give away to my friend, because this is the last one that they need. Okay, and you go. And then the last one will be, oh my gosh. The last one will be the rubber ducky. Like I was trying to say, I really wish I had gotten the frog. That was what I really, really wanted. Okay, so here's what it looks like so far. And then let me see. I only have 2 more Sonny Angels that I can find. I think the rest are at my other place. But let's see. I'll probably put a calico critter in here too. Here's this one. There's a second flap to access the bottom row. So that's what I'm trying to get right now. It's just hard to do on camera. Okay. Out that goes. Okay. And then on the other end, I'll put the other Sonny Angel right there, which is this one. I'm glad I didn't get any repeats for this series. I could probably leave the middle ones blank until I get maybe 2 boxes of the food series, but we can see. So that's what it's looking like so far. So I finished putting them all in there. I put a Miffy in the center, a calico critter right next to it, and then the 2 ends had 2 of the Sonny Angels. And this is so cute. I haven't taken the tag off yet. I don't know when I'm going to be wearing it, but it's adorable. I'm obsessed. I think it's the cutest thing ever. But yeah, if you have any requests for things you want to see on this channel, let me know down below. Because I don't know, like I'm trying to get back into full-length content, and I have really missed it, and I do really like editing these videos, but sometimes I don't know what to talk about. If you missed my recent video where I go through all the hair products I've been using on my hair for low porosity curls, I'll link that in the cards and down below, because I'm about to go through one more change with this hair. I know it's been a lot. I have not been able to like leave it alone, but the red is starting to come through. I don't know. You know what? I don't know anymore. I'm not going to even say anything right now. We'll see what I do, because I'm trying to leave my hair alone. I'm trying to have my roots grow out. But right now you can just see like the red is peeking through. So I'm like, should I do a color remover? Should we see how bad this hair looks from the back? Like, am I ready to see the truth of what's behind me? Because I've had gotten some comments lately. Actually, I'm not ready. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very, very soon with another one. Bye.